We're good.
Alright, welcome back everyone. This is break number 3 for Card Monster.
How are you guys?
Not too many things that I can think of that would be better on a Monday night, especially when I got a couple of weeks off work. Don't know about you guys, but sucked in if you haven't.
Alrighty, so
welcome back everyone. A couple of familiar faces in this break. Love to see you involved. New faces as well. Good on you guys for getting on board. Special thanks to Capital Card Breaks from Canberra as well. They treated us a little bit with our... Well, we jumped on board their break. We help each other. We support one another. But these guys were super thoughtful, super nice. They know the way to a man's heart. Gave us a couple of vouchers to buy some beers, so we'll probably tuck into that
Put to good use as well.
after we finish this break and potentially the next one. So on that side of things, we've got Spectra break planned, so a couple of spots left. There are, I think, 5 spots in the mini that we've still got to fill.
Yep.
And then a couple more teams, but we're certainly getting close to rock and rolling with that one. So.
We'll do that one tonight if it's not too late. So
Yep, jump on
after
board.
this, we'll give that a bit of attention, see how we go.
Yep. The mini on that one, I think we've got Celtics, Jazz, Nets, and also a box of Tar Heels. So everyone in that break gets a chance at the Grizz. So jump on that mini. Might end up with a little bit of Morant. Why not? Rookie of the year. But for now, let's get into Noir.
Let's jump into it.
jump into it, guys.
Look at the box, George. See if we can get the stack right again, yeah?
Yep, stack it up.
I reckon we're due for some sneaker spotlight SIGs in this one. After last boxes, the first box was fire, I reckon last box was a fizzer. So
First box was ridiculous. I don't know if I've seen a box overall that is that good, to be honest. That was, yeah.
good, give it that.
Oh, nice.
Let's get stuck into it.
See a couple of the comments from local Canberrans talking about getting some Kingsley's chicken.
Yeah, boys.
Oh, have a look at that bottom card. I wonder
Yeah.
what that's numbered to.
It's like last box we broke, we had the Lakers on the back. Another Lakers on the
Same
back
deal
again.
with this one. Yeah, this is
White
a
secrets, mate.
Yep.
good little top base card as well. Oh, hang on. Oh yeah. So first up we got Trey Young Association Edition. I thought it was to 10, but it's 99.
Still a good card.
Yeah.
Pass it over.
Got a rookie next up. Rui. So Rui to 99 as well. The Icon Edition. See that?
Very nice.
So we've got Washington.
We've got Washington, we've got the Hawks.
We've got another rookie as well. Hopefully this means it's a good sign for the box. So this is the New Wave jerseys of Kevin Porter Jr. Chris Mauler's chasing Kevin Porter Jr. So, actually, I think he's got Cavs.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no.
No? He got Cavs.
That's nice.
Is that Bobby as well, was it?
Bobby,
No,
yeah.
that was in
Oh,
Spectra.
yeah.
Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Yeah, so Kevin Porter Jr. Maybe talk to Chris about that. I think he'll probably want that. Nice, to 99.
Very nice.
It's actually good tonight. Chris didn't have to get the baseball bat out.
Yes, thanks everyone for getting the payments in. That was awesome.
Much appreciated.
Made us
Thanks to Chris
be able to start on
being
time.
Being our standing bouncer there.
What do we got? So this is for the Pistons. Blake Griffin, jumbo jersey, to 99. Nice big jersey piece.
Yeah, Chris has already said he'll be keen for that if you're
Ooh.
interested in selling, Bobby.
Oh,
This is a nice patch. This one.
me likey. Oh, it is real. Alrighty.
Another rookie too. I think it's a rookie. Ty Jerome, yeah. Ty Jerome, Jumbo Materials 210.
That's
nice.
That's a good patch.
Very nice, yeah.
That is a
Double
tasty
colour.
patch.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Three colours in there, yeah.
3. Sorry,
Yeah.
yeah, sorry. White.
Nice big jumbo patch there for the Suns.
Mr. Rudd would love that.
Another rookie.
Another one on.
So this is for the Hawks.
On card.
Bruno Fernando on card. In focus auto. 299 that one. Put a bit more effort into that signature, eh? But-
Good old BJ.
Everyone likes a BJ.
Yep.
Yeah, it's cool. Ooh.
Chris, you might see a little sample there in the background. That's the Kobe print that you come away with. Can't wait till you get it in hand. Honestly,
Looks unreal on that new paper as well.
Yeah, the torch and paper, the quality of the print's amazing.
Yeah.
Get
Next.
that out to you this week, mate.
Next up for the Knicks, and Alfred Payton to 49. That's the freeze frame. Nice one for the Knicks. Cheers, bro. And another one for the Suns.
Good.
So we got
Jordan's got the Suns.
the
tonight.
Reigning Knights.
Conway.
Jeez, he's cleaned up. Reigning Knights, I love these with the gold signature. Cameron Johnson.
Yeah. And that's
Good looking,
on
eh?
card is just
Yeah.
10 times, 1,000 times better than your
Yeah.
peel and stick.
And we have a signature. These are good as well. This is the first one we've had out of this box. For the Grizz, I think he's going to be a good player as well. Brandon Clark,
Sorry guys, not laughing at the
$2.99.
Just laughing at Chris's comment saying he's already cleared the missus photo off the shelf. Good on you, mate.
So Brandon Clark for the Grizz. I think that was Cam, wasn't it?
Yeah, Cam's got
Yeah.
Grizz.
That's nice. That's good. These are nice. These the black. I don't think it's black and white, but the same as the rookie patch autos. But yeah, very nice.
So the next
And
one was
last one. This
the
is
team that got dropped at the
this
last
is
second.
huge. This can't see what it's numbered to without grabbing it, so I'm just going to grab it.
no.
But it's
Number to 10.
to 10.
10.
Yes.
Oh.
So this was Bobby picked up.
Yeah, a late drop
Yeah.
in this team, which is all good.
Bobby's going to be very happy with this, man. LeBron James,
LeBron James.
Icon Edition to 10.
Very nice.
That's going to be worth quite a bit, I'd say.
definitely- That is going to be worth a fair amount of money.
That's going to get one touch for sure.
Yep. Coming up.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
Lakers clawed back today in
I'll
the
chuck it a few and I'll go
series.
through them again.
Yep. Ooh, that's nice. Alright.
Yeah. Take that one again,
The
man.
main one, yeah. That is
Yeah.
fantastic.
So nice one, Bobby. Picked it up late after it got dropped off, and that's the reward. That's nice. I think I think we had AD to 10 as well, eh?
Yeah.
I think that was at
Thing
least
going on
maybe
there.
a couple of hundred or something. So the
So
king.
you reckon LeBron and AD had something to do with their win today, or did Rusty Westbrook lose it?
James Harden, serial choker, man.
Scores 50 points.
The
There's
nice,
still a few games to go in the series.
the nice Phoenix patch.
That
That's me. I love
That is
patches,
a
and that's
tasty
nice.
patch. Nice one.
is
Tiger
very
Rain.
popular with Rui at the moment.
Yeah. Oh, that's right. This
Definitely
is
very
a
popular.
decent box as well. So the Rui to 99. That one. Nice too for the Wiz.
Kevin Porter Jr.
Chris has just said $1,400 card that
Oh,
the man
you serious?
just sold. No way.
Kevin Porter Jr.
Nico, you asked
Jersey.
what size one touches. 130 points for these ones.
Yeah.
Cards are a bit thicker, well, quite a bit thicker than normal. So
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah,
one
130.
touches, toppies, all 130 point.
and Bruno Fernando. This is a rookie box, hey? Like,
Sorry, Justin, just seeing your comment. Wish you didn't pull out. Sometimes it's good to pull out, but
yeah.
this time it would have been better to stay in.
Yeah, that's always the way, eh?
Mate, you can't help that.
You can buy it. You can buy it off him.
Chris is also keen for the KPJ.
The Brandon Clark as well.
Yeah. And then we'll put photos on our page, guys, of all the
So Brandon
cards
Clark.
that we get tonight.
That's nice, man. He's I think he's going to be good.
Yeah, he's certainly picked up this season.
I can't believe we haven't got a spotlight signatures out of this case yet.
Mate,
There's one box left in this
Next
case as well,
box.
guys. And
Yep.
I think as
Till
we
it's
said
tonight,
before,
no.
I don't know.
Alright, so 5
Yeah.
spots left in the mini for Spectra. And then a couple of teams after that, Pell's being one of them, Golden State Warriors. We'll
Yep.
probably run another mini if people are interested. But as always, we'll throw in a couple of extra prizes. So we're super keen to get them on field and ran tonight and see what happens from there. The night is young.
that's it.
We do have one more box of
Wow.
You're in that.
And we've got that Spectra.
You never know. All right.
Alright, guys, thanks for
Thanks,
watching.
guys. Congrats on that, James. That's unreal.
Oh, yeah.